Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator. Okay, it's actually an MT4 indicator that is designed to help you identify when the market is about to reverse direction so that you can enter or exit trades with confidence. All right, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. Okay, the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator. Okay, the Agimat Reversal Indicator. All right, so now as we can see, the indicator actually uses a zigzag reversal pattern, right? It uses zigzag reversal patterns to scan for new highs and lows. Now, looking at your chart, you're going to see that the indicator highlights the new highs and lows that it found. It found a new high here. You can see the downward arrow. It found a new low here. You can see the upward arrow. Here it was a new low, a new high, sorry. A new high, you can see the downward arrow and so on. Okay, so the key feature of this indicator is its ability to identify reversal points at the best entry and exit points. All right, let's see if we can increase the thickness of this. Okay, all right, I increase the thickness of the arrows. So now, once an up arrow appears, it signals the beginning of a bullish trend. All right, and when a down arrow shows up, it's time to sell and catch the bearish trend. Okay, now let us just break down exactly how the A-Gimat reversal indicator works and how you can use it for swing trading. Okay, once you install the A-Gimat reversal indicator on your MT4 platform, it scans the market continuously to find high probability reversal points based on market highs and lows. Remember that once a high has been identified, there is a chance that a bearish move is going to prevail. And once a low has been identified, there is a chance that a bullish move is going to prevail. So this indicator uses zigzag patterns to signal trend changes, and each signal is marked with a reversal arrow, as we can see displayed on the chart. All right, so it's a straightforward indicator that gives precise buy and sell signals. What you just have to watch out for is the appearance of the arrows. Okay, the appearance of the arrows, whether it's an up arrow or a down arrow, is going to tell you with which direction you should be opening a trade in. All right, when the indicator places an up arrow, it's telling you to buy, and you should hold the trade until the next down arrow signals a sell order. All right, now one of the most important things to remember when using this indicator is where to place your stop loss and take profit. Stop loss should be placed at the previous swing low. All right, for example, let's say you entered a buy trade around here. Where is the previous swing low? Can you see? This should be our previous swing low, right? So if you enter a buy here, you can set a stop loss below this, and then your take profit can be at the nearest resistance zone, or just wait for when the down arrow appears. When the down arrow appears, that's now your sign to exit your buy trade. All right, if you are selling, then when a down arrow appears, you set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then you target your support levels for your take profit, or you wait for an up arrow to appear and you exit your sell trade. All right, the best place to exit is the next reversal point where the next arrow is triggered. All right, so this helps ensure that you are getting into trades with a solid risk management plan and maximizing the trend while it lasts. Now, ensure that you always get confirmations. Okay, it is actually important. Though this indicator is, you know, giving signals on reversals. It's trying to spot good reversal opportunities. There are a few things you need to consider. All right. The first is time lag. Okay. The indicator does experience a slight time lag when identifying highs and lows. So you might get an entry or exit signal a bit after the price has already moved. Okay, so that is one of the disadvantages of the indicator, right? And then there is also the possibility that the last arrow might be redrawn. So that is also one of the downsides that you should pay attention to. The last arrow it's very important. Just a very quick recap. Just a very quick recap. Remember that the indicator, one of the limitations of the indicator is time lag, and another limitation is that the last arrow could be withdrawn. Okay, those are two major limitations of this indicator. And then remember that it's important to combine this indicator with other indicators, in as much as the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator is a valuable tool for finding reversals. It's always a good idea to confirm its signals using other tools. For instance, you can combine it with price action, candlestick patterns or other technical indicators like RSI or MACD, to strengthen your trade decisions. All right. So in conclusion, the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator for MT4 is quite an effective indicator for traders who want to ride trends and spot trend reversals with precision. It's especially useful for swing traders who want to get the most out of market moves. But remember, the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator is not foolproof. Okay, it does not guarantee profit. It does not give you 100% accuracy. Okay, it works best when used in confluence with other technical indicators, right? With other indicators basically, and technical analysis tools. All right. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on Forex trading. Okay, leave a comment below if you've used the A-Gimat Reversal Indicator and how it has helped your trading. Okay, see you in the next video and happy trading.